Alright guys, so this is the XR650L engine and the clutch case side after reassembly. This is how it's supposed to look, the clutch. The clutches don't have any specific way, but you do have the disc in between the clutches. And then there's a bearing, very important, I almost forgot, outside here. And then there's a push rod which has a longer for the clutch pin that goes all the way through the case, that goes in between before the push pin and the bearing right here. This one still has to sit a little bit outside, so it will sit whenever I push it in, but this is the way it looks. There's nothing underneath except these for the shifter, the 12 and the 10. I'll try to focus on the filter, the fuel pump with the line, and there's right here a bridge, an O-ring, aluminum, which has a plastic. It's aluminum O-ring and a plastic O-ring to the case. Make sure you have it, because otherwise the pump is not gonna pump the oil to the oil filter. So make sure you have it. Mine is in the case. I had to use the silicone to help a little bit on the other side, but everything is already bolted in. There's put some RTB silicone in here too under. Everything's nice and clean. Timing chain, make sure it is engaged. The retainer, everything is ready for the gasket. But don't forget this O-ring. It goes in the pump. It's an aluminum O-ring with a plastic O-ring to the case. So I'm gonna bring the gasket. Everything's pretty much clean. I'll give it another hand right here, especially when I'm looking at it. And then ready to seat it. This is how it looks. This is how it is. The XR650L. Thank you. Please like.